Today we're making chili and cornbread from food storage items. Rebel canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. Today I'm using 2 cans of tomato sauce, a can of diced tomatoes, and 4 cans of chili beans, and 2 box mixes of corn muffin mix. Finely diced 3 small onions. Cook 3 pounds of ground meat, and I added a dash of Worcestershire sauce. Once the meat has been browned, you can drain off any excess fat. Add your tomatoes and your chili beans to your hamburger in large stock pot.
Good way to get all those extra juices out.
Yes.
Gotta love the oven timer. Alright, let's mix her up. I think we need one more can of beans, don't you?
Yep. And then go ahead and add your chili seasoning, garlic, any other spices you want to add to your chili. And chili wouldn't be complete without cornbread, so let's go ahead and use our 2 box Jiffy Mix to make some cornbread. Each box mix called for 1 egg, but these were pretty small, so I went ahead and made 3 eggs.
No.
Once the eggs are beaten, go ahead and add your Jiffy Mix. And then the milk the recipe calls for, which was 1/3 cup each box mix. Spray your 9 by 13 pan with nonstick cooking spray. Make sure you've already preheated your oven, you heard my timer earlier, for 350 degrees. Bake until golden and a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Here's another video you just might like. And before you leave, hit the subscribe button. Thank you.